We must make real the promise of true inclusionary democracy as guaranteed by Article 13 of our Constitution. Not someday, not when it's convenient, but now. And we must confront and crush the barriers that hold us back. Pettiness, tribalism, division, and the poisonous games of political mischief. Even in difficult circumstances. Comrades, enough is enough. The people of Guyana deserves a nation that lives up to its highest ideal. The time for change is not coming. The time for change is here. The time is now. Let me say to you that as we need to change where the state respect workers' rights. A change where no nurse, no teacher, public servant, sugar worker, or miner is treated as invisible or disposable. A change where collective bargaining is honored, not ignored. Where court rulings in favor of workers are enforced, not evaded. And where every citizen's labor is met with dignity, fair compensation, and protection under the law.